Larry Perry, the magic mechanic himself. Larry, we got about 4 or 5 minutes left here.
All right, I got one here I got to read off. You know, it's an email. They're begging me to read here, so let's do this one. All right, if you have time today, can you talk about your opinion of the new Honda Ridgeline? And all right, actually, they use a 3.5-liter motor in it. They've used forever. It's a great engine. It's out. I mean, you run Amsel in them, they'll outlast everything. But now this is where a consumer has to do the research. All right, now they've got a newer 9-speed transmission in them. Remember, we had a caller about a 10-speed one earlier. Asking, why do you need that many speeds in a conventional automatic transmission? Number one, you don't. But now this is how Honda describes this 9-speed transmission. Honda's 9-speed transmission delivers exceptional, strong, and smooth acceleration and immediate response and raises the fuel efficiency bar even higher. Plus, its paddle shifters offer the driver an even more engaging experience. Now, do you want to hear what comes off of the Honda forums? Honda 9-speed transmission. Ridgeline transmission problems can show up as shifting delays, grinding or jumping during acceleration, a feeling of shakiness or whistle noises, and a burning smell coming from under the hood. All right, you see what I'm saying? That's it's a good idea for consumers before you buy a new anything. Do a little research. It's amazing. Yeah, maybe you get one that's perfect, but it's nice to know if there is an issue with something along those lines. And this one here, I gotta share this. This is amazing. All right, Josh? Do you remember the call we got about the gentleman that was talking about? He's had 6 batteries in his car since 2016. Oh, yeah. All right. And then he said something along the lines where he'd walk along the railroad tracks in Illinois or whatever many, many years ago, and the folks would sit there and tell him that some of those batteries were 30 years old. You remember that conversation?
I bet he hopes to forget it, but yeah, I remember it.
All right. Listen at this. And this guy here, this is one of the emails. And God, I could do a whole show on just emails. But now, you see, the caller told about the railroad batteries lasting 50 years. Now listen to this. This is something I did not know, and you're probably only going to hear this on the Magic Mechanic Radio Show. I guarantee today. He says those are called Edison nickel iron batteries, and says they can last over 100 years. And it's late 1800s technology. And said if you want to see some, show up at the Sumter Swap Meet and Car Show tomorrow in Sumter County Fairgrounds in Webster. So, hey, we all learned something. It's called an Edison nickel iron battery. I wonder if they make one for my truck. Sign me up for that.